Professions and occupations. I am a teacher. I work at school.
I am a doctor. I work at a hospital.
I am an engineer. I work at construction projects. She is a nurse. She works at a hospital.
He is a lawyer. He works in a law firm.
I am a police officer. I work at a police station.
I am a chef. I work in a restaurant.
He is a firefighter. He works at the fire station.
I am a photographer. I take photographs.
I am a waiter. I work in a restaurant.
He is a mechanic. He fixes cars.
She is a journalist. She works in a TV station.
I am a saleswoman. I work in a store.
I am a pilot. I fly planes. I am a farmer. I work in a farm.
I am a businesswoman. I work in an office.
And you? What about subscribing the channel?